the life you dream of, the one that seems just out of reach, is closer than you think. What if creating your reality is as simple as harnessing the power of your imagination? It sounds almost too easy, but what if this is the key you've been missing all along? Get ready to uncover a secret that can transform your life, a technique so effortless it feels like magic. We all yearn for a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. We set goals, create vision boards, and repeat affirmations, hoping to attract our desires. But too often, these dreams feel like distant mirages, shimmering just beyond our grasp. Why is it that despite our best efforts, our desires seem to remain stubbornly out of reach? Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things, yet still falling short? You read books, attend workshops, and follow the latest trends, but the results just don't seem to stick. It can be disheartening, can't it? To pour your heart and soul into something, only to be met with disappointment. You start to wonder, what am I doing wrong? Is there something wrong with me? The truth is, you're not alone. Many people find themselves caught in this cycle of wanting and striving, yet never quite reaching their goals. They feel frustrated, defeated, and unsure of where to turn next. Perhaps you've tried countless manifestation techniques, each promising to unlock the secrets to success. But often, these methods are overly complicated, requiring intricate rituals or a deep understanding of esoteric concepts. And even when you manage to decipher the complexities, the results often fall flat. You might experience temporary bursts of excitement, but these fleeting moments quickly fade, leaving you back where you started. It's easy to feel disillusioned and lose faith in the entire process. You question whether manifestation is even possible, or if it's just a clever marketing ploy designed to exploit your hopes and dreams. You may even start to believe that you're simply not cut out for this kind of thing, that maybe you lack the discipline, the faith, or the special sauce required to manifest your desires. But what if I told you that there's a simpler way? A way that doesn't require complex rituals or unwavering belief? What if the secret to manifestation lies not in external forces, but within your own mind? But what if the answer has been right in front of you all along? What if the key to unlocking your dreams lies not in external forces, but within the boundless power of your own mind? What if I told you that your imagination is not merely a whimsical escape, but a creative force capable of shaping your reality? It's time to discover the power of effortless imagining, a simple yet profound technique that can open doors you never thought possible. Effortless imagining is not about forcing or striving, but about tapping into the natural flow of your creativity. It's about allowing yourself to dream without limitations, to envision the life you desire with every fiber of your being. The core principle is this: your imagination is not separate from reality. It is the blueprint for reality. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape your experiences, attracting events and circumstances that align with your inner world. Our minds are extraordinary. They are not merely passive observers of the world around us, but active creators of our reality. Every thought we think, every feeling we experience, and every belief we hold sends ripples of energy into the universe. Think of it like a radio transmitter, constantly broadcasting signals. These signals attract and align with similar frequencies, drawing experiences into our lives that match our internal state. You've probably heard of the law of attraction, the idea that like attracts like. This is not just a feel-good concept, but a fundamental principle of how the universe operates. Quantum physics, the study of the smallest particles in existence, reveals that everything in the universe is made up of energy. This energy vibrates at different frequencies, and we are constantly interacting with these vibrations through our thoughts and emotions. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions, we raise our own vibrational frequency, attracting experiences that match that vibration. On the other hand, when we dwell on negativity and fear, we lower our vibration, drawing in experiences that mirror that state. Think of it like tuning into a specific radio station. If you want to listen to upbeat, inspiring music, you tune into a station that broadcasts that frequency. The same principle applies to our thoughts and feelings. When we focus on what we want, rather than what we lack, we begin to align with the frequency of our desires. We become a magnet for abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Our brains are incredibly powerful instruments. They have the ability to create new neural pathways to rewire themselves for success and happiness. When we consistently imagine our desired reality, we are essentially training our brains to believe it is possible. This is where effortless imagining comes in. By repeatedly immersing ourselves in the experience of our dreams, we are planting the seeds for their manifestation. We are telling our subconscious mind, "This is what I want. This is who I am. This is my reality." As we do this, our brains begin to adjust their expectations and perceptions. We start to notice opportunities and synchronicities that were previously hidden from view. We open ourselves up to a world of possibilities we never knew existed. Effortless imagining isn't about complicated rituals or strict formulas. It's about tapping into your innate ability to create and bringing your desires to life through the power of your mind. First and foremost, allow yourself to dream freely. Close your eyes and envision the life you want. See it, feel it, experience it as if it's already happening. Let your imagination run wild, painting a vivid picture of your ideal reality. Immerse yourself in this vision. Engage all your senses. What do you see around you? What sounds do you hear? What does it feel like to be living your dream? The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. As you visualize, pay attention to the emotions that arise. Let yourself feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude that come with living your desired life. These positive emotions are the fuel that powers your manifestation. Don't worry if doubts or fears creep in. It's natural for our minds to try to protect us from disappointment, but recall that you are in control. Gently acknowledge those doubts, then redirect your focus back to your vision. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Let go of any resistance or attachment to the outcome. The more you can surrender to the flow, the more effortlessly your desires will manifest. This is the magic of effortless imagining. It's not about forcing or striving, but about aligning yourself with the natural flow of abundance. It's about trusting your intuition and allowing your dreams to unfold. Enjoying the content? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos. It's natural to experience doubts and setbacks on your journey. You might question whether it's really this simple or wonder if you're doing it right. You might even feel discouraged when results don't appear overnight. But recall that effortless imagining is not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about allowing yourself to experiment, to play, and to have fun with the process. If doubts arise, acknowledge them with kindness and curiosity. Ask yourself, what is this doubt trying to tell me? Is there something I need to learn or adjust? Recall that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. If you encounter obstacles, view them as stepping stones on your path. Each obstacle you overcome brings you one step closer to your dreams. Patience is key. Just like a seed planted in the ground needs time to sprout and blossom, so too do your desires. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, orchestrating events and circumstances to bring your vision to life. Don't give up on yourself or your dreams. Keep imagining, keep believing, and keep taking inspired action. The more you practice effortless imagining, the more natural it will become, and the more you will witness the magic unfolding in your life. The power of your belief cannot be underestimated. It is the foundation upon which your dreams are built. When you believe in yourself, and your ability to create the life you desire. You open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Self-limiting beliefs, those whispers of doubt and fear, can act as roadblocks on your path. They tell you that you're not good enough, not worthy enough, or not capable enough. But these beliefs are simply stories you've told yourself, not truths set in stone. When you recognize these limiting beliefs, you can start to challenge and reframe them. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your potential. Keep in mind that you are not your past mistakes or failures. You are a dynamic, ever-evolving being, capable of creating the life you envision. Cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on what you want, not what you lack. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. And above all, be kind to yourself. So, what are you waiting for? The power to create the life you desire is already within you. It's time to unleash your imagination and watch your dreams unfold. Start today. Take a few minutes each day to visualize your ideal reality. Feel the emotions, see the details, and trust that your desires are on their way. Share your journey with others. Leave a comment below and tell us about your experiences with effortless imagining. What are you manifesting? What shifts have you noticed in your life? Keep in mind that effortless imagining is a journey, not a destination. It's a way of life, a way of being. As you continue to practice, you'll discover the limitless power of your mind and the incredible potential that resides within you. Now go out there and create the life you've always dreamed of. The universe is waiting to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content.